Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Inner Voice. If you're looking to make 2025 your most productive year ever, this video is for you. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but with the right habits, you can not only simplify your life, but also achieve more than ever before. Here are 7 powerful habits to help you level up in 2025. 1. Set smart goals. Start by defining clear and actionable goals using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Did you know that 92% of New Year's resolutions fail due to poor planning and unrealistic goals? With the SMART framework, you'll set goals that are not only achievable, but also impactful. Remember, slow progress is better than no progress. Focus on goals that align with your potential and work consistently toward them. 2. Prioritize health and well-being. Your productivity depends on your health. A balanced work-life routine improves mood, energy, and motivation. Research shows that healthy individuals are less likely to take sick days and perform better at work. Try these habits. Exercise for 30 minutes daily. Drink 2 liters of water each day. Practice mindfulness or meditation for 10 minutes. A healthier mind and body will transform your productivity and happiness. 3. Learn a high-demand skill. In today's competitive world, staying relevant means continuously upgrading your skills. Focus on learning future-proof skills such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, digital marketing. Dedicate just 1 hour daily to online courses, tutorials, or practice. By the end of 2025, you'll be a step ahead in your career. 4. Build a financial growth plan. Life is unpredictable, and financial stability is key to navigating uncertainties. Start preparing now by saving 20% of your income, investing in low-risk options, starting a side hustle. Use financial planning apps to track expenses and identify areas where you can save more. A solid plan today secures your future. 5. Strengthen relationships. Strong relationships are one of life's greatest assets. Make 2025 the year you reconnect with old friends, spend quality time with family network, with professionals who share your interests. Schedule regular catch-ups or meaningful conversations to nurture these bonds. 6. Reduce digital clutter. Social media can be both a blessing and a distraction. Take control by unfollowing accounts that don't add value, limiting screen time, creating a digital detox routine, e.g., no phones 1 hour before bed. Use the time you free up for hobbies, self-care, or personal growth. 7. Give back to the community. Helping others brings fulfillment and purpose. Whether it's volunteering, mentoring, or small acts of kindness, giving back makes a big difference. Dedicate a few hours monthly to causes you care about and see how it enriches your life. These 7 habits will help you create a year filled with growth, joy, and meaningful accomplishments. Start small, stay consistent, and make 2025 your breakthrough year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inner Voice.